Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Creative Commons on YouTube means creators allow reuse with certain conditions. It simplifies finding footage you can legally reuse without asking permission. This licensing still requires you to follow specific terms like attribution and share alike. I will show you how to find CC videos and verify licenses quickly. Follow these steps to save time while respecting creators. You will learn how to apply filters, examine license labels, and attribute properly for reuse. Start by typing your keywords into the YouTube search bar and press Enter. On desktop, click Filters, then under Features, choose Creative Commons to narrow results. On mobile, tap Search, tap the filter icon, then select Creative Commons from the list. You will see only videos labeled CC appear in the results after applying the filter. Always open each video and check the description for the exact license type before downloading or remixing any content. After finding a Creative Commons video, open its watch page and verify the license label. Read the description to confirm the exact CC license, for example, CC BY or CC BY SA. If you reuse the clip, provide clear attribution like title by author, CC BY, and include a link to the original. Do not assume commercial use is permitted unless the license explicitly allows it. When remixing, follow share alike rules and keep records of the original source for compliance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.